I'm back. Hopefully I don't have to leave again. I'm so sorry. This was such a good suggestion. I hope you like what I did. I love this t-shirt that Taylor wore. Comment what key you want next.